To connect an org in Salesforce, you should follow these steps. Log into Salesforce. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials to access your Salesforce account. Navigate to Setup. Once logged in, click on your user avatar or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Setup to access the Salesforce Setup menu. Search for Connect Org. In the quick find box within Setup, type Connect Org or Org Connect to quickly locate the option for connecting an org. Initiate connection. Click on the Connect Org option to initiate the process of connecting another Salesforce org. Enter org details. You may be prompted to enter details such as the username, password, security token, and possibly a connection name or alias for the org you want to connect to. Authenticate. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and verify the connection between the two orgs. This may involve entering additional authentication details or confirming the connection via email. Confirm connection. Once the connection is successfully established, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the orgs are now connected.